Turn that up, Bricky.
Okay na.
I said forever on the very first day I fell for you and landed right on my face. Boom, splash, stab me in the back, I'm bruised, bash. Threw me to the curb like loose trash. Left me in the past like who is that?
Who's that?
Damn.
Bane. Hi. Hi. Bane. Kasi hindi ko makikita yung dinadaan ako. It's Vanessa. Hi. Van. Sobrang liwanag ng water. Wow, sobrang liwanag. Miss the girl eyes. Where? Okay. Wow. Court. Tapos pababa ka na from Namsan Tower. Bakit ako sa inyo na nasa gitna ng bundok, merong mga tindahan. Pa. What is this? Ay! Ay! Huli ka! Hello. 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 This is our mama daw. Vanessa. Lola lang.
tayo doon ng 2 hours, wala nang sa trip nyo.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya we need to pali-pali. Wala na ibang other way dito kaya yan ang talaga talaga.
Meron pong isa man pero mas matarik po.
Good luck talaga.
Mamaya, after nyo mag-drone, pwede kayo magbalsa ha. Kung gusto mo magbalsa, additional na yan, 50.
Ah.
Magbibigay of 50.
Tipis. Ay nalaglag. Iyak na lang. So bawal mag... Hinakala ko naman mga ano ko yung... Ay, we just finished guys yung pinaka nakakapagod na paakyat, pabalik sa aming ano bang tawag doon? Starting point. Well, actually wala pa kami sa starting point. Nandito kami sa kubo-kubo. Parang stopover before mag-start yung ano, trekking. Ayun o. Ayun yung pinaka-start ng trekking papuntang falls. So, nakabalik na kami from there. And may mainit ng ulo. Pahabol pala. Hindi na namin na-videohan yung pagbalik namin here kasi sobrang nakakapagod talaga. Hindi na nga kami nag-uusap ni Vanessa.
Yeah.
Magkaaway na talaga kami. Hindi kami magkaaway pero yung atake namin kanina para kami magkaaway na. Sobrang tahimik na.
Sobrang tahimik.
ang usap na lang namin ganito.
Bigla kami magtinitin, tapos tatawa. Kasi ano ba ito pinasok namin?
Pero okay lang.
Super fun.
Times 4 naman ang naano ng fitness ko.
Wala.
And here we go. Parang okay lang ano. Nasa hanging bridge po kami ngayon. Kasalukuyan kami. Ayan oh. Nakikita mo. Ay naano mo yan. Ito po siya. How are you? Uli. Tinabahan siya. Oh. Hindi ako natatakot sa mga ganito. Mas natatakot ako i-drone shot pag-isa. Kagaya na lang na nangyari kanina. Sobrang payapa ng buhay dito guys. Woo! Bale, parang hindi ka umibig dyan. At this moment, hindi po natin dapat kinakausap si Vanessa. Ang ganda ng pala eh. I love it. Hala!
Turn that up, Ricky.
I said forever on the very first day. I fell for you and landed right on my face. Boom, splash, stab me in the back, I'm bruised, bash. Threw me to the curb like loose trash. Left me in the past like who's that? Damn, wish you would've told me that you felt this way. You've been stringing me along with every word you say. You hanging me out to dry, happened 1,000 times. I guess I should've seen it coming any day now, look. I thought we had it, loving the magic. You had the gasoline and the matches. Lit me on fire, spark up the
Hi.
passion. But I guess it really just wasn't what I imagined. Whoa, guess I gotta live with that one. Chest
Sobrang-
got a hole that could fit on mattress. Splat on the ground, I ain't getting back up. But I should've known better, cause I said forever on the very first day.
Parang ako eh.
We gonna ride something.
Okay, ang gagawin natin is dito ay mag-flames.
Trust me, I ain't going down like that. Custom shirts, I had to dust the dirt off. Adjusting myself with the crown right back.
Representing the
Can't
vibe.
shine it now. Had to get find it kinda funny how the moment that I'm over this is, can I come over quick? No. You had the chance, but you blew it. You had me in the palm of your hand and threw it away. Now you say that you think we can do this.
Oh,
Second
Amo.
guess, okay, do I look stupid? I don't need you here in my life. Please do not text me, I made up my mind.